Okay, I'm super excited for this video. It's a GPU mining video, my friends. I'm going to be talking about GPUs, what have I been mining recently, and my future plans here going forward as the market has been going up, essentially. Well, altcoins in general have been going up, and a few GPU mineable proof of work coins have been going up. So it's been becoming a little bit more profitable now. And I'm not sure if this is going to be something that is going to sustain in the near future. But I'm doing this video because I'm documenting basically, I normally do like, a video every month or two of, how our GPU mining profits now. So I can go back to these videos in the future if I need to, just to see how, GPU mining was maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, 4 years ago. I got videos going back 5 years ago. So this is something where, yeah, it's obviously we've gone through so many different ups and downs with GPU mining, and you all know I am a GPU miner at heart, right? And I love to document my journey and continue to keep on buying GPUs, even though it's not even that great. I guess before maybe the past year or two, but I'm still hopeful because where we are right now in the market, it seems like GPU mining is back, baby. Okay, so my honorary, tried and true GPU, the RTX 3070. This is my benchmark GPU. I always like to look at my electrical rate at around 8 cents USD. I have a little bit better than that at my other location, but I have another location that has GPUs. Right now, the 3070 is making about over 30 cents a day right now because Kwai has had pretty much a 114% price appreciation here over the past 7 days. And I mean, we've had plenty of other coins that have gone up as well. And, Conflux is up 44%. We got Carlson. We got a Nurai, right? That's a Kapow. And Ravencoin, 36% as well. So we've got some up and up here on a few proof of work GPU mineable coins. We got Flux. I see Beam is here. Let's see, going to Cubic, another prominent one that's been at the top of the charts more so recently. And let's see, Firo, Cortex. We have, let's see, Ironfish, Zealous. Okay. Still waiting for Zealous to do something right now because Zealous hasn't had much price appreciation recently, but I'm hopeful. I guess once Zealous starts going up, then that might be okay, where GPU mining will, hopefully everything will be on the up and up. But of course, I can't forget the elephant in the room. I understand, right? The emissions, right? Everyone's going to go back to Red Panda. GPU mining is never coming back. Well, I understand that, and I'm going to keep on keeping on here. With GPUs, I have about 500 to 600 GPUs, and majority of them are actually off. And just to talk about my plan here going forward, I do have a bunch of ASICs that are on in this location right now. I just moved them there. I plan on sending those off for hosting in the near future here, probably the next week or two, and so I can get ready to start turning on my GPUs. And as well as my 3070 farm here, I have where I live at my house here. You guys know my 400 amp service. I am wanting to turn all of these on as well. So I'm going to have to send off more of my ASIC miners for hosting. And yeah, you can see here, I have been mining Ergo for the past couple of days here. And I actually found some blocks. Okay, 2 Ergo blocks to be exact over the past 3 days here. And my luck seems to be pretty good. I found one at 71% personal luck and 14%. In the same day. So pretty good. My overall luck right now, personal luck, is 59%. So that's pretty good. I have 4 3070 rigs that are going, 8x3070 rigs that are mining Ergo right now. And I'm just solo mining. I thought I would try solo mining because the Ergo hash rate, the Ergo difficulty is low. It's quite low for from where it is. And so I thought, hey, I'm going to try solo mining. And yeah, there's still a good amount of people that are, mining Ergo right now. And I'm, of course, hopeful that Ergo will also, if we are having this, up and up here in the crypto market, that Ergo is going to be one of those coins that is also going to have some price appreciation. I'm not sure, not financial advice. We're going to see. But looking in past history, I mean, Ergo's had some ups. So, hey, is this the time where Ergo is going to have its heyday here? Well, we'll see, right? Past 3 months, looks like it did go up back in March 2025. But here we are in May, and it's kind of down since then. So we'll see. Ironfish, another one that's been kind of prominent in the GPU mining community. Zealous is another one I'm hopeful that will have some price appreciation. Thus, GPU mining profitability could be good. Narai is another one that I'm hopeful for as well. And of course, we have Kwai, where Kwai is, I guess, one of the first, I would say, during this pump we've had with Bitcoin over 100K just recently, that Kwai has been the one that's been breaking out essentially. So yeah, 100% over the past 7 days here is quite crazy, I guess. Quite good for GPU miners. I see Caspa Classic here. Now, I don't know if this one is GPU mineable. I don't remember off the top of my head. This one is Pirin hash. Okay, so I think that might be GPU mineable. Now, I see 0 miners on it. Lots of giga hash here. Is that ASIC? I'm not quite sure. Pirin hash. Okay, so Pirin, I remember Pirin being a coin where it was GPU miner. Pirin hash V2. Okay, so probably FPGAs are on that coin. Yes, I think that's what happened before. Anyways, guys, yeah, I just wanted to give you this update here for GPU mining. So let's finalize here. So I have been now seeing, the more prominent GPUs, I guess, for mining that a lot of people have been getting. I personally have been wanting to get more. Sorry, I don't have any 178Xs. I do want to get 178Xs. Now you can see that even, let's just go to 15 cents. I know maybe not a lot of people have cheap electric like I do, right? But even at 15 cents, the CMP 178X, if you were to get your hands on these over the past year under, $300, $400, it's still a pretty decent GPU. Not bad, right? And going down the list here, of course, some 30 series, 50 series are looking to be okay. 5070s looking at 27 cents a day at 15 cents per kilowatt hour. So I'm just recording this for, just to see how GPU mining will be, in the next year. And, I can come back to this and see, oh, looks like GPU mining didn't come back. I'm just kidding. But looking at 3070s, okay, 3070s at 15 cents per kilowatt hour is about 11 cents profit. So I have never seen, I haven't seen this number. I haven't seen profitability on a 3070 at 15 cents per kilowatt hour for a very long time. Granted, Kwai, I believe you don't get paid out until like after 7 days. If you were to mine cubic, you don't get paid out after, 2 weeks. So it's a delayed thing that's been, for the payouts for Kwai and cubic. So that's another thing to consider as well, of course. But yeah, I am hopeful here that, GPU mining, it's back, right? It's back. It's not back yet full on, but it's coming. It's coming. And if, the market continues to go up from here, then I'm suspecting a lot of these, a few of these coins to start price appreciating. Now, is it going to sustain? That's the biggest question. Is it going to be able to sustain all the people that have, GPU mining hardware offline, like myself? You all know, for me, I haven't sold any GPUs. I've kept them all either off or running, and I've been, for the better part of the past 4 years, been accumulating a lot of coins. And I don't think all the coins I have are going to go up again ever. Like, most of them are probably going to go to zero. But, it's nice to see some of these coins actually, starting to go up. Now, is it going to go up, back to its glory days? I don't know. And, where we are in the market right now, especially with Bitcoin dominance right now, it seems like it's Bitcoin dominance is going back down. So that means the altcoin market looks like it's, coming back up here to play. And whether or not that's also going to bring up some of the other, proof of work GPU mineable coins, maybe like Zealous, one that's been quite prominent. Sticking to the, GPU miners and, straying away from ASICs. Zealous has changed their algorithm to cater to GPU miners. So yeah, it's Zealous hash V2. Looks like it says Zealous hash on mining pool stats, but it's V2 now. So that's good, right? For GPU miners. A memory hardened algorithm that's good on, memory based GPUs like HBM2 cards, CMP 178Xs. My 3070s are pretty good on, you know, Zealous as well. But yeah, okay, guys, that's all I wanted to do in this video. Please let me know your thoughts. Like I said, my plan is to shortly here start setting off my ASICs for hosting, and I'm gonna start getting ready to turn on my GPUs because I want to start now, not to really accumulate, but now start to really start profit taking essentially, and mining these coins, mining these proof of work GPU mineable coins into like Bitcoin or into USDT or something like that to make that money. I mean, that's the time when altcoins are now coming back into play, and when GPU mining, the profitability looks good, then that's time to really start to take the profit. And yeah, okay, so let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Let me know you guys, I don't think many people are GPU mining. Most people have sold off their GPUs and probably are never going to come back to GPU mining. And you know what? That's fine. Let's just keep the GPU mining to the people who kept at it, kept their GPUs, and will hopefully reap the rewards if that time is coming. It feels like that time is coming again. So, but I'll update you all, and I'm going to keep documenting this, and we'll see how GPU mining profitability is maybe next month. And you guys are probably going to see a lot of GPU mining videos from me over the next maybe a couple of weeks here, because I got to turn on a few of my barn rigs, get my other CMP 100-210s on, which actually I've been mining Ravencoin on my CMP 100-210s. And yeah, it's been going good. Been yielding a bit of Ravencoin just to stack some Ravencoin, because I believe Ravencoin will be, you know, one of those coins, hopefully, that will have some price appreciation during this uptime that we are in the market. So we shall see if Ravencoin will do it or not. Okay. All right. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. GPU mining is back, and peace out.